Hello guys, welcome again to Sheillah's kitchen. Let us make this nice egg roll. We start with 1 cup of flour. We're going to make this is for the wrap, the egg wrap. Salt and water. Just mix it well until you get this consistent. It should be like this with no lumps, very smooth. Set it aside. Then this is for the egg. We have onion, coriander, salt to taste, black pepper, and of course cayenne pepper. I love chili, guys. If you don't like chili, you just don't. And 2 eggs. And then we put that aside too. After you finish, then here we have carrot, cucumber. This is for the salad. We will use it with the wrap. I washed the onions with salt and warm water, and I added ketchup, chili ketchup. That one is spicy, so if you don't like spicy food, you can use a normal ketchup, just tomato sauce. So we start by making the wrap. Just a little bit of oil, maybe a half tablespoon. So that's how we make the wrap. You cook it on both sides until it's golden brown. Guys, for those who are new, please subscribe to my channel, please. This egg wrap is very nice for breakfast. You can have it for lunch at work. You can carry it. So now we'll do the eggs. Okay, now our wrap is there. We cook it on both sides until you make sure the egg is cooked. It's all dried up. Should look like that. So now our egg wrap is ready. So we use the salad we made before. Sorry guys. Just fold it nicely. You do the same to the rest of the wraps that you made. So our egg roll is ready to eat. See how it is? Looks yummy and delicious. Please guys, make this at home and let me know if you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, please, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for always watching. And for me, I decided to eat it with some cucumber, avocado, and tomatoes. It was very yummy. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.